Good day everyone, welcome to Soaps by Chinwe. So in this video I will show you step by step on how to make a simple laundry bar soap from the measurements to production process. So stay glued while I take you through this process. This is our caustic soda. So when measuring your caustic soda, always wear your gloves because this a particular chemical is corrosive, is harmful. So when you're handling it, always make sure that you wear your gloves, and also make sure you are in a ventilated place, not in a room whereby no air is coming in or going out. So we are measuring our caustic soda. One thing about soap production is that make sure you take the accurate measurement. Measurement is very important when it comes to soap making. Any slight mistake in your measurements, it will lead to you making a bad soap. You get a bad soap, a bad result. So always make sure that you take the accurate measurements. So what we are using in this production for the caustic is soda 170 grams. Then the water for this caustic soda measurement is 750 ml. We can see it at the top. At the end of this video, you will see the list of the ingredients in the description box. Just check the description box. You see the ingredients there, the measurements, the water ratio, and everything. So one thing again, please don't add water to caustic. Always add caustic to water to avoid a disaster. So when you're mixing your caustic, always add caustic to water, just as I've done here in this video. And also stir your caustic very well to have a smooth trace, just as I'm doing in the video. Stir it very well. Just take your time to watch this video. I'll show you that you get the best result. Just follow the right measurements. Should in case at the end of this video there are some things you don't get right, you can always reach me, or you can drop a comment in the comment box. I will also drop my WhatsApp number that you can ask questions. Here is our soda ash, and we are going in with 85 grams of soda ash for this production. As you can see, I'm measuring my soda ash now. Just as I've said previously, please always take accurate measurements. Take accurate, whatever you see in this video is what you will do. Please always try and take the accurate measurements. So it's time for production. Here is our caustic soda. So this is the final product of the caustic soda. You go in with your soda ash, add your soda ash into the caustic, then you stir very well. Stir to combine. Stir very well. Stir. Always allow your caustic to cool before you before you do your production. Okay, while you're stirring the caustic and soda, you add their color. This is the best time to add their color when you're using watercolor. You know, in soap making we have different types of color. We have the watercolor and the oil color. So the color I'm using in this production is called watercolor. If you want to buy it, when you go to the chemical shop, tell them to give you watercolor for laundry bar soap, please. It's time to add our oil. I'm adding our oil now. What I use for the oil I use for this production is palm kernel oil, which is also known as the PKO. Yes, this is one of the best oils so far for laundry bar soap production. You can see it. I'm adding my oil. You stir very well when you're adding it. Please, I was supposed to sieve this oil before using it for production, but since already I'm into soap making, I know how I do it for a dirt not to enter my production. So for a beginner, make sure you sieve your oil before using it for production. Don't just pour it directly. Use a sieve to sieve your oil to get rid of the those dirty particles in your oil. So you can see our production. You can see how our soap is, how smooth it is. Continue stirring to have a smooth tray so that you will not have lumps in your soap. Just exactly the way it is here in this video. You can see how smooth and how beautiful it looks. Now I'm going in with my silicates. I used 50 ml for this production. The silicate, that's what I used. So you keep stirring so that it will combine and incorporate very well. Keep stirring. Here you're going in with your perfume. Perfume should be the last thing you add so that it can settle in your mixture. Yes, so you add perfume as desired. You check. If the fragrance is not enough, you add more. Just as I'm doing in this video, you smell it, you check if it is okay, you add more as you like. So what I use, the perfume I use for this production, the name is lavender. I use lavender perfume for this production. Just as I've said earlier, if you have any question or you don't understand some things, drop it in the comment section. I will answer to all questions, and also I will drop my WhatsApp link. You can join my WhatsApp group as well. Voila! So this is the end product. You can see that. You can see our beautiful soaps are ready. Please subscribe, like, then drop a comment of any question you want to ask. See you in my next video on hot process making. Thank you for watching.